Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Currently, three people are watching. Thank you so much, guys. So, in this session, I will tell you about how we can automate window-based file handling as well as how we can work with Sikuli as well. Okay. Hi, Ashwant Eshu. Good morning. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Before starting our session, so as I mentioned on yesterday, is software testing job is difficult. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, we will discuss. So later on we will start our actual session. Okay, so it is based upon your suggestion only. I am going to take this session like AutoIT and Sikuli Selenium live. Okay, so which concept you want? Like first we will discuss about software testing job, or we will discuss about the concept what I have mentioned here. Please let me know, guys. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions or anything, so that first we will cover those things and we can start our actual concept that is called Sikuli. Later we will discuss about AutoIT as well. Okay, please do let me know, guys. Yeah, anyone have any questions you can ask me before starting our actual session, so that we can discuss. Okay, I want to change all the experts because the program what you are currently watching, right? So this is the older one. So right now I am modifying the experts for the remaining fields, like where I have clicking on this PIM link as well as this link text add employee. Okay, employee first name is not there. What? Yeah, first name is there. Let me inspect this one. Okay, sorry. Yeah, please do let me know, guys. Not an issue, we can start our actual session. Okay, before starting that, if you have any queries, you can ask me from the live chat. Okay, we will discuss first those and we can start our actual session about Sikuli and AutoIT. Okay, see here it is not highlighting. Okay, they removed ID attribute. Okay, now I am using name. Okay, at the rate name. Okay, yeah, please let me know from the live chat, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me from the live chat. Okay, once that is done, we will start our session, that is AutoIT and Sikuli. Okay, please. The written name. Okay, then what is our next one? Name, and I'm entering here the last name, right? Yeah, first name and last name. Okay, let me inspect this one as well. And also I have provided one URL, so in our YouTube community post, so where we can practice, that is globalsqa.com demo site website. Okay, so that site is enough for you if you want to practice like Selenium scenarios. You can take that one and you can practice daily. As we know already, I have covered a few scenarios by taking that particular site. Okay, I can able to automate even drag and drop, as well as I can able to validate the text from the UI and storing into one of our validation.txt file, and I have compared. Okay, later on I have automated the drop down list as well, along with that frames as well, along with that sliders as well. Okay, please practice with that website. which will really helps you a lot if you want to get. सर आप एपीआई कब लेने वाले हो? आज ऑटो आईटी एंड सिकली पढ़ने वाले हो? Yeah, right now I will teach about AutoIt and Sikuli Sapna Ravindra Kadam. Thank you so much for asking the question. Okay, so because it is a part of Selenium series only, so right now whatever the concepts I am covering. Okay, so earlier I have covered till automating web tables. So later on the last session I have covered about which one automating keyboard and mouse operations. So in this session I'm going to cover you AutoIt and Sikuli. Okay, yeah, let me take all these exports, guys. So I am modifying here. So once that is done, photo file, where is that one? Photo file they have removed, huh? Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, okay, this one. Input @id equals to photo file. Give me a few minutes, guys. I'm modifying all the exports now. Okay, it is not highlighting. Okay, so let me execute till this point. I will explain you about what exactly this Sikuli means. Okay, so we will just see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, go to our pom.xml file if it is a Maven project. Okay, go to our pom.xml file. So I think this is not the correct one. And yeah, Sikuli example, right? Yeah, where is that one? Which project? Sikuli test execution is the project name. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, here it is not a Maven project. Okay, let me execute and we will see. Sapna Ravindra Kadam. Yeah, so it started executing. Okay, let me show you that part as well. Yeah, it started executing and it is entering the username and password here. Why failure? Unable to locate element export name equals to username. What happened? Driver. Yeah, correct only, right? XPath. Mhm. Okay, maybe synchronization issue. Your voice is not audible, check it. Yeah, my voice is coming properly. Subscribe. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Okay, so let me start here. Okay, I can use here thread dot sleep better way. Okay, thread dot sleep of 5000 seconds. We will see. We will see. So I will start. Once this setup is completed, I will explain you about what exactly the SQL and what I am doing here. Okay, so please guys, please try to understand. So let me execute it one more time. Oh, it is a testng file, right? Then why testng.xml file is not there? Yeah, it's working now. Okay, submit button also I need to change. Sorry. Oh, it entered. It is entering. Still, it is executing. Okay, you can see it got entered till here Selenium. Okay, first class and Selenium. Okay, you can see our actual code. So where I am entering. Okay, where I am entering. First class as my first name, Selenium as my last name, right? So now here I am going to discuss about Sikuli. So if I click on this particular, okay, if I click on this button, okay, if I click on this button, I am going to upload a file. Okay, so this is called like how we can automate window based pop-ups. So where we are performing the uploading files into our application, right? So this scenario I am going to cover with the help of Sikuli. Okay, this scenario I am going to cover with the help of Sikuli. So first of all, okay, first of all, what exactly this Sikuli means? Okay, so here Sikuli automates. Okay, Sikuli automates anything where we are getting from the screen. Okay, we can automate anything from the screen with the help of Sikuli. So why how it will work means with the help of a concept called image recognition. Okay, with the help of image recognition concept, okay, this SQL is going to identifying the elements. So not only for file uploading, even we can perform click operation by capturing the screenshot. For example, if I want to click on PAM link here, means I can capture this screenshot. So then I can I can perform click operation with the help of SQL concept. Okay, So in the same way, we can also automate Windows based pop-ups as well. Okay, we can also automate window based pop-ups as well. Okay, so the downloading part and configuration part I have already made dedicated video about a Sikuli concept. Okay, so please check out that video as well from our channel. Okay, so now let me go to our project, this one. So if I click on properties, so where I have added the jar file of Sikuli. Okay, so how we can check? Go to your Java build path. Here you can see I have added Sikuli jar file. Okay, Sikuli jar file I have added. Okay, so once if you added that Sikuli jar file, we need to install that one. Okay, we need to install Sikuli jar file, then only we can able to add this as a jar file to our Eclipse. Okay, first we need to download Sikuli zip file from the website. So once that is done, we need to extract all those files into our local folder. So where you will get one file as a jar file. So that jar file we need to add to our project. So how we can add the external jars? In the same way, we need to add that Sikuli jar file as well. Okay, so here Sikuli automates anything where we can see on the screen. Mainly it will uses image recognition to identify and control the GUI components. Okay, it will uses the image recognition first of all, where it is used to identify and controlling the GUI components. It is not only for automating the Windows Windows pop-ups. Rather than we can even automate, if I am not having any experts or ID or name for any for any web element, in that case we can use directly this Sikuli. There are some scenarios in real time as well, so where we don't find even single expert or any type of locator. So in such cases we are going to use this concept that is called as Sikuli. Mainly it will work based upon the image recognition to identify and control the graphical user components, that is web elements. Okay, and also it is very useful when there is no easy access to a graphical user interface internal code or source code. For example, if I go to if I am inspecting any web element, so there we don't find any locator to perform click operation on any one of the web element. During that time, this Sikuli is very useful. So as like for each and every tool there are some advantages, right? There are some advantages, so we will discuss about what are the Sikuli advantages. First of all, this Sikuli is a open source. Okay, first of all, Sikuli is a open source and which will identify the objects using of images or screenshots. Okay, it will identify the objects using of images or screenshots. If I want to click on this leave link, I have to capture the screenshot of this leave link text. Okay, with the help of Sikuli, we can automate both the Windows applications as well as web applications as well. Okay, Windows means what I am showing you here currently. We can automate this one as well, and also we can automate the web applications as well. So when we are going to use this Sikuli, means Sikuli is useful when we have no type of attributes like no type of locators like expert or CSS or ID or name, anything, because it is working on the image recognition only. Okay, Sikuli is working mainly on the image recognition only. So whatever the screenshot I am capturing, with the help of that screenshot only, I am going to perform the desired action from Selenium point of view. Okay, that is where Sikuli is useful, where we don't have any locator like export or CSS or ID or name, class, any type of locator. If you don't have, means during that time we can use this Sikuli because it will work mainly on image recognition. Okay, when we have some stable graphical user interface. Okay, when we have stable web elements. Okay, so during that time, with the help of image recognition, we are going to perform the click operation or send keys or handling the drop downs, any kind of actions we can perform. Okay, even with the help of Sikuli, we can also automate mobile applications as well. Okay, even with the help of Sikuli, we can automate the mobile applications as well. Okay, so now I will show you the program what I have written here. We will discuss about that. Okay, now I will show you the program what I have written here. We will discuss about that one first. Okay, so here you can see we have two different classes. Okay, so what I am performing here, first, okay, first I entered my first name and last name inside our Orange HRM application. Okay, inside our Orange HRM application. So after that I am going to click on this plus icon where I can upload my image. Okay, so once if I click, you can see here this is a Windows based pop-up, right? So how we can automate this kind of scenario? Okay, so to automate this scenario, inside our Sikuli we have, okay, inside our Sikuli we have two types of classes, that is called as screen class and pattern class. Okay, what exactly that screen class will do here? Okay, screen is a class which will which will implement from ISC interface. Okay, IS screen, iScreen interface. Okay, screen is a class which will be implemented from iScreen class. This screen iScreen interface, this screen class will mainly focus only on the screen only. Okay, this screen class, whatever I have written here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me go to here where I have commented the remaining part, right? Let me tell you about this. Okay, so here I have written screen. Okay, here I have written one class that is called as screen. So this screen class is implementing from the iScreen class. Okay, this screen class is implementing from iScreen interface. So where this screen class mainly focus on the screen. Okay, mainly it will focus on the screen what you are getting from the UI. Okay, in the same way we have one more class that is called as pattern class. Okay, with the help of what exactly this pattern class means, it will mainly focus on the captured image. Okay, for example, I want to click on this open. Okay, I want to click on this open button, means with the help of pattern class. Okay, with the help of pattern class I can make my focus to the captured screenshot. Okay, so if we go to here this particular path, we will see the image what exactly this image means. Okay, so let me go to that folder, that is E drive, right? That is E drive. Inside E drive, what exactly the file name called? Sikuli is the folder name. Okay, Sikuli is the folder name. Let me see that one. Yeah, Sikuli is the folder name. Inside this Sikuli folder we have sts.png, means sts, that is this one. Because if I want to open the file, means first I need to enter some text here, right? First I have to enter some text here, right? So inside E drive, okay, inside E drive, inside my Sikuli folder I have this image, right? So I captured this screenshot. So when I went to this one, so I need to type like this. So once if I type on this one, then I am going to perform click operation to select this one. Okay, it will do like this. Once that step is completed, so what is our next PNG image here? Okay, next PNG image here, you can see open button. Okay, so once if that is done, I am going to click on this open. So where exactly that open is present here? It is present in my E drive under Sikuli folder, that is open, that is SRS. It will enter srs.png and click on this one. Okay, and it will click on this one. You can see here it will enter that one and it will click on the save button here. Okay, with the help of pattern class and screen class, we can automate this window based pop-ups as well. Okay, we can automate this window based pop-ups as well. Okay, so in the same way I have mentioned here, So for example, let me execute this program and we will see the output whether it is working fine or not. Yes, Hemant Kumar Korada, thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Okay, who is this guy, man? Report. Yeah, we can perform. I mean, we can add our dependency file as well into our Maven project for Sikuli. Okay, we can add that one as well, not an issue. So now, okay, so now let me execute till this point and we will see how exactly it is working here. Okay, how exactly it is working here, we will see it now. Okay, so please guys, if you have any questions, please let me know from the live chat if you want to explore more in this live session. Okay, so here this is how we can perform. So let me execute this program and we will see whether it is selecting the image or not from the desired location. Okay, so let me close all these. We will see it now. What happened? Why it is failing here? Unable to locate element. Before login only it have to, right? So once it clicked on login button, oh sorry, here I have added like something different. Let me take XPath for that one, for clicking on the login button. Okay, so here is my actual code. Take this to go to your SQL example class and add this line here. I changed it to username. You can see here this is the wrong XPath. Okay, that's why that is failing. Let me add it here and execute it one more time. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask me from the live chat. Yes, please. Hi MC, thank you so much for visiting the channel. MC Chaitanya, thank you so much. What happened? This language is coming here now. I'm not sure why it is coming. Why the language got changed here for Orange HRM application? Okay, let me do some control shift delete here. Yeah, 1 second guys, 1 second. So that language got changed inside our Orange HRM application. I'm not sure. Okay, we will try to open it from Chrome browser. Okay, we will try to open it from Chrome browser. Chrome driver.exe file and WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay, that's it, right? So let me open it from Chrome, and we will see we are getting the same text or not for the Orange HRM application. If you have any questions, please please ask me from the live chat, guys. I don't know, the language got changed, so then our script is not going to work anymore if that is the case. Yeah, now it's coming fine. Okay, it's working fine now. So once it is entered the password, it is going to click on the login button. Once that is done, maximizing and clicking on the add employee link. So then it is entering the first name and last name. Okay, it is entering the first name and last name here, Selenium, and it is going to click on the plus icon here. Okay, here we can see it got entered now, and it should have to enter the text here. Why? Yeah, you can see it got entered here. Okay, it got entered if you observe. Okay guys, are you getting to know what I did here? Can we add Maven dependency for Sikuli? Yes, we can add. You can see here it got automatically uploaded one file here with the help of Sikuli. Okay. Yeah, you can see, right? So it got entered, but it not clicked on the save button. We will see why it is not clicking on the save button, and we can modify the XPath for save button as well. Okay. So let me do that one. So please guys, if you have any questions, please ask me from the live chat. Okay, please, if you have any questions, you can ask me from the live chat, guys, please. Okay, save button type equals to submit. Okay, I will take here the text where it is one. Yeah, let me take it to bottom. Okay, save, right? Yeah. Okay, let me check. Button at the rate type equals to submit. Okay, it is highlighting here. So let me add here submit. They change it here, the XPath. Okay, so I will explain you one more time. Okay, so what I'm doing here means I am using one screen class here which is coming from the iScreen interface. This screen class mainly focus on the UI screen. Okay, then what is this pattern means? So this pattern class is used, it is mainly focus on the captured screenshot. Okay, it will mainly focus on the captured screenshot. So in the same way I have mentioned here, you can see text field, right? So this is a text field where I am entering. Okay, where I am entering here, you can see if I click on this one. So once if I click, this is the text field, right? So here to enter some text means I am using one method here, that is type is the method which is coming which is present inside our screen class. With the help of type I am mentioning. So what is my web element here? That is text field where I have captured the screenshot for this particular text field. Okay, so once that is done, I am entering some e drive insta.png with the help of type method. Okay, once that is done, I am clicking on the open button, that is this one. So I have captured all the screenshots here. You can see here, this is a screenshot for entering the text, that is which one? Entering the text. What we are entering here, that is the drive where exactly my screenshot got located, right? Where exactly my screenshot got located. This one I am entering inside this file name text field. Once it is entered, I am clicking on the open button. So here you can see I have captured for open button and I am storing in E drive Sikuli and file name here is srs.png. This one is srs.png, right? So once that is done, I am clicking on the captured screenshots for pattern. So once that is done, it will successfully upload. It is successfully uploaded into Orange HRM application. Once that step is completed, I am clicking on the save button. Okay, so here you can see it is successfully uploaded previously. So now let me execute one more time and we will see. This time we are performing on clicking on the save button as well. Okay, let me execute. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. Please let me know from the live chat if you have any questions. What happened? It is coming in some different language. Why? All time clear data. Log off, log in again. Whether it is giving in English language or it is giving in different language. No, it is not giving. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let me execute it from Edge driver. What is this file name? mshdriver.exe, right? Okay, let me execute. That Orange HRM application text got changed, guys, so that's why I am switching between the browser every time. Okay, if it is giving in English language, not an issue, but it is frequently changing. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay, it is entering the username and entering the password and clicking on the login button. Once that is done, driver.manage.window.maximize will be performed now. Okay, so now it is entering the, clicking on add employee, it will enter the password fields here. Okay, I mean details, add employee details, first name and last name, clicking on the plus icon now. So here it is entering, see, file name, it is a image I have captured where I am using type method. With the help of type method I am entering my screenshot name. Okay, it is entering now. If you observe, still not yet. 20 seconds I have provided. Wait. What happened? It's executing or failed? It got failed. Why? Okay, no problem. Earlier it got worked, this time it's not working because of sync issue or what. Okay, anyway we are applying 20 seconds to be waited, so it is waited and it is giving the error here. Okay, so better let me use one thread.sleep here so that we can save our time. Okay, let me execute this time. Okay, let me execute. Yeah, any other questions, guys? If you have, please let me know from the live chat. Yeah, if you want more information about the installation part, I have already made one, we have already uploaded one video, so where I have mentioned each and every screenshot to do some Sikuli setup to your Eclipse. So please go through that video as well. Okay, it is not working here, it is coming in different language now. Okay, it won't work. What happened? Let me delete everything. Okay. Let me execute it one more time. No, it's not working because the text is changing here, if you can see. So we can even automate with the help of the same Sikuli concept only, because our exports are not working currently, right? So in this case also we can click with the help of pattern and screen classes, so to perform some click operation on this particular screenshot. Okay, so now let me switch. Last time we will try with different browser this time. If that is not working also, webdriver dot chrome dot driver, driver dot chrome driver. Okay, let me execute. So after this I will show you how we can execute failed test cases without using retry analyzer. Okay, we will discuss about that one. If the text is the constant, it is working fine. No, it is not working. Okay, no problem. So far I have already shown you how this Sikuli is working. So now let me do one more time. Clear browsing data all time. We will execute the last time, guys. So if it is not working, then we will discuss about how to execute the failed test cases without using retry analyzer. Okay. Before that, if you have any questions, please let me know from the live chat, guys. Please. Yeah, anyone have any questions so far, please ask me from the live chat. Not only about Sikuli and AutoIT, even you can ask about any job related or interview related or concept wise. If you want to discuss with me, you can discuss with me. I will provide suggestions from my end as well. Okay. So please utilize this live session, guys. Please. Okay, now it is coming. You can see admin 123, it entered. Okay, maximizing. Once maximized, it is going to click on add employee link. Okay, it will click on this add employee link here. Okay, once clicked, it is entering the first name and last name. Okay, first name and last name it is entering here. Why? What is happening? Again export got changed or what? Correct only, right? Put me execute. The session got expired. Okay. Why it's not entering the user first name and last name here? So even the export also correct. It entered. Okay. Then clicking on that plus icon, opened our Windows based pop-up. Then it is entering the file name. Okay. We will see whether it is entering or not. Earlier it got worked fine. Yeah, you can see here it entered and clicked on open and clicking on the save button. Okay. Yeah, you can see here our Instagram logo got added this employee. Okay, to this employee we have added, that is first name as first class and last name as Selenium I have mentioned here. Okay, so without having any failures we successfully uploaded our file into that particular employee. Okay, so this is how we can automate with the help of Sikuli. Okay, this is how we can automate with the help of Sikuli. Again I am telling one more time what exactly this Sikuli and everything means. Okay, so please guys, so first of all, Sikuli is a graphical user interface automation tool. Okay, first of all, Sikuli is a graphical user interface automation tool. Using of Sikuli automation tool, we can automate whatever we are getting from the screen. Okay, whatever we are getting from the screen. And mainly this Sikuli is basically use image recognition technology to identify and controlling the which one and controlling GUI web elements or GUI components or GUI objects. Okay, we have already know that with the help of Selenium we cannot automate the Windows objects. Okay, so because of that reason also we can use this Sikuli for automating the window based objects. Okay, at the same time integrating Sikuli with integrating with Selenium, which will allow us to overcome this issue. Okay, so actually if we want to automate the Windows based pop-ups means, so in Selenium it is not support, right? So with the help of Sikuli we can also automate that scenario where we can deal with the window based pop-ups. Okay, with the help of Sikuli at the same time we can automate Windows and web based applications as well. Okay, so mainly this Sikuli will focus on okay, mainly it will mainly Sikuli will focus on the screen only. Okay, and if you come to what are the advantages of Sikuli means, so first of all it is a open source tool for automation and it is easy to integrate with our Selenium as well. The help of Sikuli we can automate desktop or Windows applications as well. Okay, so like I mentioned here we have two classes which I used here, that is the screen class and the another one is pattern class. Screen class is implemented from the iScreen interface, so where which will mainly focus on the screen. Okay, so here pattern class, so which will mainly focus on the captured screenshots. Okay, if I want to type something inside this file, Windows based pop-up means we can use type method which is coming from the screen class. At the same time if I want to click on open button or anything, we can use click method which is also coming from screen. Okay, it is not only for handling the Windows based pop-ups, but even we can automate our actual web application as well. If I want to click on this one, we can perform with the help of Sikuli. If I want to click on this performance, or if I want to take last video as well, okay, once if you are familiar with by configuring that into your Eclipse, then you can follow the steps. Okay, any other questions guys from anyone? Please let me know from the live chat guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, any questions so far guys, please let me know from the live chat. Yeah, Raghavendra, you asked one question, right? About TDD framework. Yeah, we will discuss about that one, Raghavendra. Okay, it is a part of Selenium series, what I'm covering till now. Okay, we will discuss about that one as well. Yeah, sure, Raghavendra. Thank you. Any other questions, guys? Please, if you have any other questions, please do let me know from the live chat. Okay, please, guys. Any other questions if you have? So yesterday I have asked one question, that is how we can execute failure test cases without using retry analyzer. If you know about that, please ping in the live chat so that we can discuss about that one as well. You can ask Raghavendra. Okay. Any question, Raghavendra? You mentioned you have one doubt. Please ask me. Yeah, is it from Selenium or something else, Raghavendra? Please let me know. What follow? Now the question what we have asked, that is from Selenium or something else. In Selenium we don't have this one, right? Same inline or not. So we can take it from some Reactor JS or JTest is there. Okay. So in Selenium I don't see this inline or not. Where exactly you are testing this one? Yeah, same inline means where exactly? Whether it is in UI or what? Inline means what exactly? I want that one. Okay. So but we can find the element what we discussed earlier with the help of the access methods. We can find that particular web element location where exactly it available. Two options means side by side, which means web elements or what? If there are, if there are two option side by side, how we can check that? How we can check that means, as per my knowledge, we can use some XPaths, right? XPaths, using of XPaths we can check, that is following sibling function is there, ancestors precedings. I think you are talking about some HTML related code as well, right? HTML DOM structure you are talking about, it seems. I can able to find the XPath, but which method I can use to verify? No, we can create whether that element is present or not, even we can validate the text as well, right? By comparing with actual and expected result. So we are creating reusable methods for finding the web element. There are two options means we can write the XPath and also its XPath functions are there. Okay, with the help of those XPaths and its functions, we can identify the element and we can verify that particular element, whatever the text is available for that web element, or what is the text available if it is a text field. Okay, which is from HTML only you are asking, I guess. HTML DOM structure. Yeah, yeah. There are some we have few more methods are there, so that is inline methods or something is there. Okay, I need to compare actual results with, yes, yes, exactly. Okay, you mean verification part, right? So we can create our own reusable method how to verify an element with the help of get text method. Also we can compare equals of. Okay, so whatever the availability methods we have inside our Selenium, With the help of those two, we can compare or we can verify the text of the given web elements. So inline element means there is different topic was here, okay, especially for inline. So which will mainly the where we are using it for means CSS locators or HTML DOM structure, okay, with the help of CSS concept. So there we can use this inline or block also, okay. Yes, yes. Oh God, I need to compare actual result with expected results. Yes, yes. We have to compare. So I am getting confusion here. Inline means you are telling there are two buttons. For example, one is A button and one is B button. So you want to verify those two buttons, right? So we can create one reusable method for verifying the text of the given web elements. Okay, wherever that web element is located, that does not matter. We can take the XPath and we can compare with our expected and actual. That expected result we can store it from any one of the Excel file or CSV file or Word file or TXT file, okay. Even you can store it in the form of properties file also, okay. You can store all your expected results in any one of the document, then you can write a method, okay. First capture the text from the UI and then compare that actual result with your expected result where you have stored inside your Excel document or any kind of document it will be, okay. In that way we can compare. But if you are mentioning about inline means there is some different term about on, and also that is a different concept, inline, and also we have block level. So these are not coming as a part of Selenium, okay. So that is completely for HTML web designing part only. So where exactly I want to add my web elements, whether it is in a sequential, that is inline, or whether I have to mention on the desired as per the requirement location, okay. That is a different concept. But I thought like you are expecting from the Selenium, but if not that is the case, that is completely different, which is coming under HTML concept only, okay. So any other questions guys, anyone have? Okay, any other questions? Yeah, how we can check that whether we are verifying, if there are two options or one, side to side, whether we are verifying the content available for that given web element, or you want to test where exactly those two web elements got located. If that is the case, we can use XPath access methods, okay. Access concept we have inside our Selenium. With the help of that we can find out the location of the two web elements. But if you want to verify means we can create one reusable method where we are writing the logic to verify the text for the given web element, even that is present side by side, or even that web elements are present anywhere of our UI. Okay, any other questions from anyone have, please do let me know from the live chat. If nothing is there, I am closing this session. I will take the next auto IT in the afternoon session. So please let me know guys, if you don't have any questions we can close this session and we will connect on the evening session as a part 2, okay. Yeah, anyone have any questions, please let me know, guys. I'm going to close this session and we will discuss about auto IT in the evening session today. Okay, so far no one have any questions. Okay, please let me know if you are there. Currently two are watching. If that is the case, please let me know, guys. We will discuss and we will close this session for now, and we will connect again in the evening. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'm closing the session now. Okay, we will connect on evening at 6:30 p.m. for auto IT session. Okay, how we can automate Windows based pop-ups with the help of auto IT. Okay, thank you so much.